we're going to be putting in a vapor canister solenoid on a 2015 Rogue. Do you have this code PO456 coming up on your scan tool? Well, what it is a very small evap leak. And a lot of people will start like I did, change your gas cap. It don't make a difference. And you check the hoses. So what we're going to do today, or I'm going to try to film it for you, is replacing the vent canister solenoid valve. It is located at the rear passenger side up in the wheel well. I just wanted to show you that when I erase the code, it will read and it'll come back immediately. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. You're going to take that clip off. There's one here, and one here, and one here to get this shield off. And trust me, be careful, because it's going to put dirt in your face. So when you do get that off, yeah, so you see that's your connection. And get a hang up right here. See how we're all rusted in. I don't know if this is bad or not. I'm going to test it when we get it off. There's a clip that you push in and you twist it and you should pull out. You got to take that hose off as well. Okay, take this hose off, take your connector off, and you should be able to twist it out of there. We shall be right back. Hey YouTube family, hit that subscribe button, because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you. That's the hose. It's crusty. But you got your thing off. Mine was really hard to push in. You push in here on this clip. It should have two hands, but then you can twist it out, right? So you just go turn it up. And let's go and test this thing. I'm going to get the power probe, and might have to pop the hood on the Rogue and for a power supply. So folks, I tried taking you out and showing you how to use this, like actually using it, but the camera fell over and I just couldn't get to hold this in a way to show you. But I'm just going to tell you, it's pretty simple. Positive, negative on your battery. Once you got that, you're going to take your little ground clip and you're going to put it on, where are you? Either one of these, right? Like that. You're going to take your probe and you're going to put it on the other one without touching the ground, and you're just going to give it power. And you should see this plunger in here. That plunger should move in and out. This one does. So it moves about almost the same as the new one. So I would say that it's not the solenoid, but the whole ring may be the problem, and it's all rusted here. So you know, for the price, you might as well put on a new one. As you see, it's not exactly without rust. You blow in the new one, you blow in the old one, and right now they're both open. Well guys, this could be not a fix. Maybe it isn't this at all. But I'm going to put on a new one anyway. Damma. That's the hole. So I'm going to clean that out. I'm going to clean that hole out. Be right back. So I just put it in and turn it so this snaps in. Now I'm going to put the holes back on. Try them one-handed. Slide it all the way to that stop. Boy, trying to show you guys. So there, I'm going to put a little dielectric grease. All right, we are connected and we check the code. I doubt if it's going to work because the other one is the same. We'll see. So guys, I put the code reader back on and it's doing the same thing, which I figured it would be because it's been on there for so long. The code, permanent code. So I think from what people say, I mean Scanner Danner and all those guys, there's a few really good ones, but yeah, apparently you have to drive it for so whatever the kilometers is so that the computer will take away the permanent code, because you can erase the code, it's just going to come back. So whether that's true, well, I don't know, but these guys should know what they're doing. But anyway, yeah. So folks, that's it's a pretty easy job. Unfortunately, this one seems to be working, but you know, sometimes around here could be just a little bit of a leak, or in the body here, since it's so rusty. I don't know. I'm just hoping that it takes the code away. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and see you on the next one.